Thank you.
Hello, Gemini. Welcome to Soul Vibrations, here to deliver some soul vibrational messages. Today, I'll be using tarot and pendulum to check on your general energetic system called chakras, also known as auras or energy points in your body. With that said, this is a general energy reading. I hope that you can resonate with me, Gemini. And also, I'd like to ask you to please like, subscribe, add me to your list. I would greatly appreciate it. Also, we are officially in Virgo season. This reading is mostly based on those kind of energies, blue moon energy, full moon energy. And so, like I said, Gemini, I really hope that this resonates with you. With that said, like I said, I've pre-shuffled, meditated on your energy, and but I will give it a few more shuffles just to see if anything wants to pop out unexpectedly. One more. Okay, Gemini, thank you for being here. Okay, Eight of Wands, the Judgment, and Page of Cups. Okay, what I see here, Gemini, is creative opportunities. I see a lot of curiosity, intuitive messages coming in for sure. These are like swift changes coming through. Judgment is saying, one, I feel like you're being called upon. Also, to take chances when it comes to these new opportunities, but it really wants you to truly go within yourself and trust your intuition, or start listening more to you. Is it true to you? Does it feel good? Is it bringing energy? Wands represent the fire within ourselves. Eight is change. It is attainment. It is strength. It's stability. It's definitely coming with protection. It's almost like whatever is coming in is quick action. There's a deeper meaning to it that is gonna like weigh heavy on you. It's like news that you might have to wait, and again, take him with emotional balance. I guess, like, take your time to really, whatever is coming new to you, take your time to really like feel it and listen to it, and I see a lot of water here, so things are moving very fast. You're really going to be in your feels. So, but allow that to happen. Know that you, like I said, you were protected. It's for deeper meanings. It's almost like, you were meant to receive those news because you're capable of managing it, Gemini. You're a communicator, right? So I feel like you could also be very quick-witted and communication, and very restless. And it in this case, it wants you to really take it in, like the Page of Cups. Understand what you're feeling when you're receiving this news or whatever action is happening in your life. Like I said, wands represent our spirituality. It also represents our energy flow, our ideas, inspiration. Like I said, it's our fire, right? So whatever brings in, like, how is it showing face to you, in other words, right? And then listen to your intuition and how to go about it. Yeah, very much be mindful of how you judge things. This also gives me a feeling of like rebirth. There's new energies coming too. Page is a messenger as well, just like this card. It's almost like there's a message coming through. Either you will be the messenger or there'll be a message to you. but it's how you deliver it, how you represent it. Page is a very youthful, he's very young, he or she is very young, and it's learning how to understand its feelings and understand how to use its cup. So I think that that's how you have to take it. Know that you are not alone. You're very much protected, and it's news that is coming to you that might weigh a little heavy, but again, it's for your greatest good and for the greatest good of all. Just be mindful. Does it feel right to you in your soul, in your spirit? Is it going to give me more energy? Is it going to give others positive vibrations? And so that's what I want to say regarding your message, Gemini. I hope that you resonate. And happy full moon. I hope that this full moon is not too sensitive for you, too emotional. But if it is, just take it easy. Like, don't rush through it. Really take in whatever message is coming for you, Gemini. With that said, I'll be moving on to your chakras. I'm going to check your energetic system, see where it would benefit you to pay a little bit more attention to regarding your energy field. Is it your root chakra, base chakra? Okay. So yes. So you see, I saw a lot of waters, and I saw a little bit of fire coming in, right? But what it really wants you to do, as far as like your energy field, it really wants you to ground yourself, be more into earth, be more present, in order to, again, connect to whatever messages might be coming through to you. Base chakra is color red. It would also help you to wear the color red, eat fruit and vegetables that are red, meditate on color red, just pretty much focus on your root, on your base chakra, which is the connection to earth. It's grounding, stability, balance, it's trust, physical health, it's nourishment, strength, it's your family, it's roots, security, survival, prosperity. What makes you feel secure? Your family. What are you rooting? Be more into earth, balance definitely, and be more present in this lifetime, I believe. So, Gemini, thank you so much for being here. I hope this message resonates to you. I send you the best of vibes. Please like, subscribe, add me to your list. Like I said, I really appreciate it. Hope you have a good full moon. Thank you. Ciao.